matter of seconds. But first, Jason, let's tell us what we can expect outside.
Is it bad outside? You've just been out there.
It's gorgeous.
All right, there you go. There
not
you
bad.
Dr. Steffany from Plaza Dental with her weather report.
November 5th to have a high of 60 degrees, that's pretty good. We have a slight chance for light rain today. It'll be a little breezy out there. Now, you're really going to see things change tonight. You're going to hear that wind start to blow. Wind gusts overnight around 40 miles an hour. A windy, colder day Thursday with a high of 48. 54 Friday. Another windy day Saturday with a high of 46. 50 on Sunday. And guess what? It's going to be windy on Monday again.
No kidding.
Good chance of rain on Monday, and then it gets chilly on Veterans Day.
We're becoming the Windy City.
Yes.
There you go. Well, so Dr. Steffany just wrapped up collecting all kinds of candy. So what did you keep?
What did I keep?
Yeah,
That's what you're a dentist. What did the dentist keep candy-wise?
What's your favorite kind of candy?
Oh, you know, anything chocolate, I'm okay with.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a woman.
Chocolate in moderation is actually good for you.
I think it's dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not milk chocolate.
Make sure
I mean, I'll eat dark chocolate. I'm not picky.
Yeah.
Just make sure you brush afterwards. But you guys were doing something pretty cool for Halloween.
We did, yeah. I know. I wish we had the pictures, but we don't. But we had hundreds of pounds of candy.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, it's gotten bigger every single year. I walk in with the stacks of dollar bills to hand, we give the kids $1 for every pound of candy that they bring in, and some kids bring in these sacks of candy that weigh 7 or 8 pounds, and I'm thinking, right? So it's better to give it to the troops than
there are upcoming entrepreneurs.
Correct. So we ship it overseas to the troops, and they, of course, they really appreciate it. I hope they really appreciate it. They deserve it, of course. And so, but in the meantime, we have these giant vats of candy and these huge boxes of candy in our office. So I think we collected over 400 pounds this year.
400?
And you have to see it to believe it. It's crazy. So actually, our Facebook page has it, if you really are that interested.
Oh, yeah, we'll pull that up.
Yeah, so.
Perfect.
That can't be cheap to ship candy.
It's funny because, I used to think when we first started doing it that, we'll give $1 per pound of candy. It'll be a few $100. That'll be really, a nice little thing to do or whatever. Yeah, it's about twice as expensive to ship it.
I could imagine, yeah.
But like we said, it's worth every penny.
It's worth every penny, absolutely. It's the very least I can do if they're going to protect us.
Now, you were here a little while ago talking about sleep apnea.
Yes.
And ways people can help, get some relief from that.
Well, I wanted to sort of talk a little bit more because I think I left out some of the things that people really need to look for. So, of course, if you wake up sleepy, if you never feel like you're rested, a lot of times people with bigger necks are at more risk. People that snore, of course. Are you measuring your neck now?
Yes, I do have a big neck.
Yeah, people that snore. Then also, just a lot of kind of just obvious symptoms. Again, the waking up sleepy and just if your partner tells you that you snore and kind of wakes you up multiple times a night because you're snoring and that kind of thing, and just kind of overall, some people that are heavy are more prone to it. But I have to tell you, it's not always people that are heavy that have issues. So it's more common than you think in smaller people. So.
Something you should think of. Now, remember earlier this morning during the first hour of the program, we showed you an app a day. We showed you the Sleep Bot app that you can get for your phone, which monitors. No, it's a free app, and it'll monitor your sounds that you make during the night. It might be something you might be able to use to see whether or not you are.
And it just might be really interesting.
Yeah, check that out.
Or amusing.
Or amusing.
Talking national news coming up, Nintendo is coming out with something that can help you sleep as well. So this is obviously a big topic.
Big deal.
Sleep medicine and dentistry is huge because it's so important. We're really talking about saving people's lives, and it puts so much stress and pressure on the heart and the the organs, and it's really something that's pretty easily managed. I was going to say preventable, but it's not as preventable sometimes.
Managed is the best word.
Managed is the best word, I think. Sometimes, there are different types of sleep apnea. What we usually talk about in dentistry is obstructive sleep apnea, where when the person lays back, it actually closes off their airway. So there's obstructive sleep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, obstructed airway for the sleep.
We were also talking this morning how a lot of people brush your teeth in the shower just because the convenience of it. You're in the shower.
Oh my gosh.
And they're saying not so much you don't have to worry about germs, but the fact that people don't always do the full 2 minutes when they're, I probably should be doing this.
I love timers. On toothbrushes, timers are the best thing ever. So
okay.
2 minutes seems like an eternity when you first start putting a 2-minute timer on. Huge, giant, long. It feels like it's about 6 hours.
Right.
Yeah.
And you're dribbling, it's going on forever.
Yeah. So
but
a timer's a really good thing, though.
Yeah. Use a song song on the radio is what we were always told.
right,
So
yeah,
use a
that's-
song on the radio
yeah.
when the song ends, and you're done.
Right, or sing happy birthday like 6
Right.
times.
Happy birthday. Yep.
We have a picture of the candy here.
How long happy birthday?
Now this was
yeah,
just
there you go.
this was just the first
That was the first day. That was the first day.
Wow.
I love it. My team separates out the pure sugar, like the suckers and the
Sweet tarts.
Yeah, sweet tarts and things like that, and the chocolate. And I don't know why they do.
You know exactly why they're doing that. Don't
right,
tell
yeah,
me.
This is
Right,
the
so-
box
yeah.
that might magically disappear.
All right, so
Yeah,
people
even my team can't eat all of that candy. I mean, some of it's really going to go.
now you have a really neat place. Now tell everybody where your place is located.
We're located on Jordan Creek Parkway. It's 1089 Jordan Creek Parkway, and obviously right down from Jordan Creek Mall. And the easiest way to find us is our website, dmsmiles.com.
Great website.
Yeah.
Easy to remember.
And starting next week, these are going away.
Yay! Crowd goes wild. Grace is
Great
gone.
teeth.
Perfect.
I'm excited.
Awesome. Good seeing you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank
It
you
is
very
9
much.
minutes past.